Ha! Finally getting it on camera on 7045.5. Getting some Morse code. And my decoder is working. I'm decoding it. That is so cool. I could try to answer, but there's no way I can understand what somebody sends back yet. I can send, I just can't receive yet. Not because I technically can't. My mind, I can't go fast enough in order to get things down. Let's see if I can dial this one in a little closer. See, as I shift my frequency, the audio frequency seems to lower as I shift up, because the part of the frequency that is actually transmitting is below me. When I shift down, the frequency is right around here somewhere. See if anybody answers. They just stopped. I could call CQ if I feel gutsy. Let's try it. My decoder is confused because I've got it set to a different word per minute. Let's try that. There we go. No answer. I'm probably not even getting the signal out of this state because of this hokey antenna I've got.